Let's make a cornflakes mixture. A chatpada cornflakes snack like this. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. For this cornflakes mixer, onto a hot oil, fry 2 cups of peanuts. Drain all the oil, transfer to a strainer. Fry 1 cup of split chana dal. Same way, drain all the oil, transfer on top of the peanuts. 250 grams of cornflakes. Deep fry on the hot oil. Drain all the oil. Place it on a strainer. 1 cup of sliced coconut. Deep fry until golden. Drain all the oil and transfer it. Fry half cup of almonds. Drain all the oil and transfer it. Half cup of cashew nuts. Fry until golden. Drain all the oil. Transfer on top of the cornflakes. Deep fry some curry leaves until crispy. Drain all the oil. Transfer on top of the cornflakes. 10 pieces of dry red chilies. Fry it. Drain all the oil. Place it on top of the mixture. All the frying process is done now. Now the most important process, making that spice mix. Gives it a beautiful taste. 3 teaspoons of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Half teaspoon of asafoetida. Half teaspoon sea salt. All onto a bowl. Combine well like this. Sprinkle the spice mix on top of the mixture. Small batches at a time. Mix well. Do the process at least 3 or 4 times. All the mixture is coated with the spice mix. You will get a beautiful cornflakes mixture like this. You can enjoy with a cup of tea. The cornflakes chatpada mixture is ready. Get like this and enjoy it. It's very crispy. See, like beautiful. Get some nuts in between and enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? What about this one? Just